If you've been struggling to get the 4,000 watch hours on your channel, maybe you have over 1,000 subscribers, but the problem that is actually hindering you from getting monetized, it is watch hours. You don't have the 4,000 watch hours that YouTube requires for you to monetize your YouTube channel. No worries, just because in this video, I'm going to share with you a new trick. This new trick can help you get watch hours in a very short kind of a period. Now, I did an experiment on 2 faceless channels using this trick 2 weeks ago, and guess what? In just 2 weeks, I was able to monetize 2 channels using this new mysterious strategy. Now, without wasting any time, I'm going to introduce you to this new strategy, and I'm going to teach you step by step on how to use this strategy the right way. So don't skip anything if you want this strategy to work for you. If you're really tired of starving for watch hours, if you really want to get the 4,000 watch hours, watch this video step by step so that you understand every step and don't come back complaining that the strategy did not work for you when you skip this video. Yes, if you want results, you should pay attention to every step that I'm going to take you through in this video. And without wasting any time, let's get started. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is to open your mobile phone. On your phone, go to Google Play Store right here, and then you're gonna search for this right here, Prism Live Studio. Okay, after searching for Prism Live Studio, you're gonna tap at Prism Live Studio. This is it right here. Now, as you see on my phone, I've already installed it, but you have to install it actually before you can see this option open. And now, after installing it, you tap at open right here, and then it's going to begin opening, or it's going to actually load. Okay, now once it loads, this is the next interface. Now on this screen, you just tap at Google. Don't tap at any option, please tap at Google right here. Okay, as I said, you have to follow the steps to get the results that I actually spoke about. Now once you tap at Google, the emails to your phone are going to pop up, so you have to choose an email that is actually linked to your YouTube channel. The email you use to log into your YouTube channel, it is what you have to choose at this point. So I'll definitely tap on this email right here, and now it's going to actually load. As you see, it's now loading. So they are going to ask you to give permission to this app. So what you do is to actually give permission. You go through this. These are actually terms of service. You just tap on agree after scrolling through these terms of service. And now after tapping on agree, you tap at OK right here to actually accept or give permission to this app. And you go ahead and give more permission to this app. You have to make sure that you actually allow to give this permission to this app so that you get the right results from this app. Okay, so you keep on allowing and giving permission to this app to actually access your entire channel. Now after that, this will come next. You're gonna see yourself, or your self camera is gonna begin capturing you. So from this step, what you do is to scroll from the right to the left. Okay, you scroll on your phone from the right to the left, as I'm doing it right here. You scroll from this side to this side, from the right to the left. After that, you're gonna see these options: media, playlist, text, and so on. Now what you're gonna do on this step is to tap at media right here. Now before begin doing this, actually you need to put this in your mind. There are 3 things that you need to perform this strategy. The first thing that you need, it is your mobile phone. You should have a mobile phone. The second thing you need, you should have a channel, which I think you have, and I guess you also have a mobile phone. You choose YouTube Custom RTMP. Okay, we just tap right there, and now after tapping right there, this will come next right here. And now what you're gonna do next is to minimize these 2 right here, and then you open Google Chrome right away. And after opening Google Chrome, open your YouTube Studio dashboard from your mobile phone. As you see my dashboard right here, and after that, you're gonna zoom. Since it's a phone, you have to zoom so that you actually see everything and see where to click right now. After zooming, you're gonna click at this option, the option you see in the middle right here. You click on it right away, and after clicking on it, this will actually come next. So here there are 2 options. They're asking you whether you want to stream now or later. What you're gonna do is to tap on now right here, and after that, this will come next. They'll ask you built-in webcam or streaming software. You definitely tap at streaming software right here, and after that, it's going to actually load and bring up this. Okay, so here you need to be more careful. Now on this step, what you do, you just put your focus at stream key. Okay, you look for stream key, which is right here, and then beside stream key, you tap at copy. The copy on top, there are 3 copy. A word copy appears here 3 times, but you choose the top one. Okay, you tap on the top one right here, and then you copy the stream key. Now, after copying the stream key, you minimize this, you minimize your dashboard, and you go back to the app. Okay, you go back to the app, and then you paste the stream key on the option in the middle right here. You paste the stream key, and now after pasting the stream key, what you do next is saving. Okay, just tap at save right here. Now, after tapping on save, the channel is going to automatically save, as you see this right here. Now, once this shows, what you do next, you tap on the X button right here, and now what you're gonna do next is tapping at go live right here. And now once you tap at go live, it's going to actually go live, as you see it right here. It just counts down, and after counting down, it's going to actually go live. Now, the other thing you need to do is to mute the sound of the live stream. As you see what I'm doing right here, you reduce the sound of the stream to the lowest of it, and after that, the next thing you do, you tap on this looping sign. The looping sign you see below here. Okay, there is a looping sign below here. You just tap on this looping sign, and now after tapping on the looping sign, you play the video. Okay, as you see, my video is actually playing, and this video is actually live streaming. Now, before you apply this strategy, if you want quick results, these are the things that you have to do, or the things that you have to know. Okay, first of all, before you actually begin using this tool with your phone, make sure that your phone is fully charged. Secondly, when streaming with this tool, if you want quick results, stream between 2 to 5 hours. Don't stream less than 2 hours. Okay, and lastly, don't forget to loop the video. Loop the video, and always make sure that the video is actually playing. If you don't play the video, if you don't loop the video, is not going to work for you. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this video if you've not set up your channel correctly. Sometimes you may not get views just because your settings are poor, or you've not corrected some settings. So always make sure that you set up your channel correctly, you optimize your channel correctly before you actually begin uploading videos or even applying this kind of strategies. So check out this playlist and watch the videos in this playlist. I've actually organized this playlist for every setting that you need to set up on your channel, for everything you need to turn on, to turn off, to optimize, anything about settings and optimization. Check out this playlist. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.